Introduce VASCO Electronic Organizer. Electronic Organizer helps you keep your luggage space tidy, hold your gadgets securely in place such that they are well separated from each other for a scratch-free storage. No more cluttering your entire backpack or suitcase with cables, scattering your gadgets and accessories all over the space, and struggling to find every individual item when needed. With VASCO, ensures that you can fetch anything that you need instantly without having to overturn your entire suitcase. The bag is double-layered and offers a large amount of slots, letting you carry everything you might need in your travels. Convenient Velcro will allow you to keep all cables and earphones in their holding slots, saving. Rubbered SIM and memory card slots will prevent your cards from getting lost ever again. Water-resistant material is applied everywhere, including zippers, protecting your items from inside.
Meet the anti-bottle. It isn't your typical water bottle. Vapur is designed from the ground up to meet your hydration needs. This ultra-lightweight reusable vessel flattens, folds, freezes, and rolls to go virtually anywhere. Stands when full, folds when empty. The SuperCap patented technology provides a tough seal and an easy open, and is equipped with an attached carabiner to make carrying it even easier. Durable 3-ply construction, taste-free and odor-resistant, dishwasher-safe, BPA-free, and made in the USA. The Vapur Anti-Bottle. Designed to perform.
Introducing the Skyroam Solis X, the world's first smart spot. The Solis X keeps you connected with reliable 4G LTE Wi-Fi. It's the ultimate travel companion, and with coverage in over 130 countries all around the world, now you can do more from anywhere. The Solis X includes a fully customizable smart assistant, an 8-megapixel wide-angle remote camera, and a portable power bank, all while connecting up to 10 devices at once. Now you can stay connected and share the moments that matter, wherever you are. So get out there and immerse yourself like never before, because with the all-new Skyroam Solis X, now you can truly do more from anywhere. One of the major concerns that every single traveler has, whether they travel for work or for leisure, is lost luggage. Airlines today continue handling luggage the same way they did 100 years ago, and this represents a huge problem. How huge? Multi-billion-dollar huge. Over 70,000 people lose their luggage every day. That's over 25 million travelers a year. Yes, 25 million. That doesn't only mean the value of the belongings people lose, which in some cases is a lot of money. It means suffering, anxiety, frustration, lost reputation, ruined vacations, delays. These things don't have a value and can't be replaced. That's why we created LugLoc. LugLoc is a complete geo-tracking solution that empowers you as a traveler. It's a smart device that fits in any size bag and connects to an amazingly simple smartphone app that tracks its location anywhere in the world. LugLoc's proximity alert feature lets you know when your luggage is about to show up at the luggage carousel. You can also place it in your backpack or purse, and LugLoc will alert you when you move away from it, so you never leave it behind. LugLoc is for everyone, whether you're traveling for business, vacation, or adventure.
Hi, I'm Jordan, and I wanted to tell you about Humangear's new utensil line, the Gobites. There's the Uno, Duo, and Trio. We made the Gobites from a proprietary nylon material that's virtually unbreakable. While other utensils may not hold up, there's a reason we back the Gobites with a lifetime warranty. The Uno's U-shape is ergonomic, and we improved the fork and spoon ends. The spoon is deep enough for soup and designed to scrape up every last piece of food. The fork tines are long enough for pasta, and the tapered splitter tines easily cut up softer foods. The Duo has the same optimized fork and spoon ends and adds some neat tricks of its own. You can use the fork and spoon separately or connect them together for a tool that's even longer than most extra long utensils. So it's no sweat to reach into deep containers without getting sauce all over your hands. The Trio packs a full-size fork, spoon, and knife into an ultra-thin case. The tools feature the same optimized ends, and they're accessible separately. Just grab the one you want. The Trio's knife is sharp enough to cut chicken, and it even has a bottle opener. We think you'll like the toothpick too. So that's the Gobites lineup. Super strong, ergonomic, smart, and backed 100% by our lifetime warranty. The Gobites Uno, Duo, and Trio. The civilized tools for eating on the go, only from Humangear.
Make traveling easier and more comfortable with the Everlasting Comfort Neck Pillow Travel Kit. Just like the world's leading memory foam manufacturers, our neck pillow is made with 100% premium quality memory foam. Its extra plush velour cover provides a luxurious, relaxing experience. And unlike standard neck pillows, its ergonomic U-shaped design features raised lobes to support neck tilt from side to side. The compact protective travel bag includes a pair of high-quality memory foam earplugs with an industry-leading noise reduction rating of 33 and a padded adjustable sleep mask. Its unique side pocket fits your phone, accompanying earplugs and eye mask. Travel in the ultimate comfort and arrive feeling relaxed and refreshed with the Everlasting Comfort Neck Pillow Travel Kit.
Trim down on time and money using Etekcity's EL11 digital luggage scale. Ideal for traveling and recycling, this petite and portable scale has the weight capacity of up to 110 pounds, simplifying the way you weigh your personal effects. Designed with easy grip comfort, the scale features a durable nylon wraparound hanging system for easy handling. With a user-friendly button interface, measure environment temperature, convert units, and tare weight with the press of a button. Each time you turn on the scale, it will remember the last unit used when you made your last measurement. The scale is small in size for easy on-the-go storage while maintaining the durability to stand the test of time and travel. Simply hang your luggage from the nylon hook and evenly suspend it in the air until the scale stabilizes and locks your final weight results. To measure the weight of contents without the added weight of the container that holds them, first weigh the container without any contents inside of it. Once the weight results stabilize, press the tare button to recalibrate the scale to the weight of the container. Now add the contents in which you wish to measure to the container and suspend it to calculate the final weight. To reset a tared calibration, remove all weight from the scale and press the tare button. It's that simple. Effortlessly measure the weight of your luggage before you ever reach the airlines, saving you an average of $50 to $200 of unexpected overweight luggage fees. It's the perfect addition to your itinerary for happy travels.
CM Translator is a smart tech product. Simple, multilingual, artful design. With one portable device, you can switch between 6 languages anytime, anywhere.
You know how to get to the subway from here?
CM Translator brings you the best smart travel experience that lets you focus more on your trip and connecting with others. This revolutionary smart device has the power to break barriers.
Where is this going to be?
CM Translator can understand speech up to 10 feet away, so you can converse easily and naturally, and build bridges to new relationships. CM Translator is equipped with a long battery life, 180-day standby time, 24 hours of continuous use per charge, picks up speech from long distances up to 10 feet away. It's able to record audio and share with other people. CM Translator. One click, one world.
Traveling the world is amazing, but a backpack full of bulky, unreliable power adapters is not. Most adapters today use a breezy sliding mechanism and are constantly breaking or falling out of sockets, leaving your devices dead when you need them most. This is why we created the World Travel Adapter Kit. It comes complete with 2 US sockets, 2 USB ports, and a micro USB cable, so you can charge up to 5 devices at once off a single outlet. Forget spreading your electronics around an entire hotel room. One and done. What's best, this system is entirely grounded, surge protected, and equipped with a voltage indicator, so you can charge your valuable electronics worry-free. With 5 included detachable backs, this adapter is compatible in over 200 countries around the world. Buy Septix adapters today in the comfort of over 140,000 positive reviews and 1 million total travel adapters sold worldwide. Traveling abroad? Think Septix.